Eminence Front X5 and Larry Word here, coming to you from Cathedral Canyon. I'm out here poking around after receiving these new glasses, these sunglasses. No, I have not found my old ones. They have not repaired my old ones. I actually reached out to RYDERS, the manufacturers of these sunglasses, and told them about my story, my history, and what I'm doing with their sunglasses out in the middle of the desert. The response was, here, try another pair, because I actually put in my letter also to them that I had destroyed their glasses by accident. Well, I was reaching out for some help, and they've responded with some help. They've sent me these new glasses, the same exact ones I had before, but new. And I'm writing a review on these things after 1 year of use of these things out in the desert. But to put them through year number 2, and I'll be happy to give them another review in a year. But it's been a year. It's summertime now, and time to talk about the things that have failed and worked and whatnot. And this is my first of several reviews of things that I use out in the desert. Not all of these are necessarily paid reviews. This one might be looked at as such, and I will treat it as such. But I had purchased these sunglasses because my glasses had failed. I had purchased some Prada sunglasses prior to my trip, and they didn't hold up very well in the harsh conditions in the Mojave and the Death Valley deserts. So I went out searching for not just stylish ones, but ones that actually have some protection. And this is what I came up with. These RYDERS Nelsons sunglasses are nice in several ways. Optically correct, they're anti-scratch. They're also anti-fog, which is very helpful. Like right now, I'm sweating like a pig, but hopefully you don't see that. And the sweat's not showing through the anti-fog, but I'm definitely hot. So anti-fog helps out, especially in the morning when you're drinking hot coffee going to work. Anyway, that's a good feature. But they're also polarized, and that cuts down on the glare as well. And I like to see what my camera's eye would see through my sunglasses too. So I have a polarized lens or filter on my lens as well. But a special thanks to the marketing team over at RYDERS Eyewear. They have been fantastic. They got me out the pair of sunglasses in record time, and I'm enjoying them 100%. And when I got them back, I had been without sunglasses for almost a month. When I knew they were coming back, I waited 1 extra week for those sunglasses to show up. And when they showed up, I'm telling you, it was a relief. Great sunglasses from RYDERS. If you have a chance to pick a pair up, I highly recommend it. All kinds of flavors, sizes, I guess not sizes, but I guess they have different shapes, as well as different colors and different lens combinations you can get with almost every one of their sunglasses. But check them out. They're RYDERS, RYDERS. Description below will have some links to their website and whatnot. But yes, check them out. They're a great company. So you'll be seeing these hopefully for the next year. I love them. Leave your comments below, please. And do you have any suggestions on other things I should be reviewing? Please let me know. So I guess my next video coming up, and I'll be starting work on this tomorrow actually, are the items I use when I'm on a video shoot, like the camera I'm using now, the mic, the holders, everything, broken down into detail as to what I'm doing with them and why I've chosen what I have. Like I have a DSLR camera, but I've stopped using it for a lot of reasons, and I'll get into that during those videos. But if you have any questions regarding that video that you want to pop in there, please leave them down below. I read all my comments. Talk to you guys in a few.